Noticed itchy bites or strange stains on your sheets? You might be dealing with bed bugs. Let's show you how to inspect your home like a pro. First, grab a flashlight, gloves, a thin card, magnifying glass, and tape to trap any suspects. Start with the mattress. Carefully check seams, folds, and corners. Look for small reddish-brown bugs, black dots, or tiny white eggs. Next, inspect the bed frame and headboard, especially cracks, screw holes, and joints where bed bugs love to hide. Don't forget the box spring and under the bed. Look closely at corners, especially if there's fabric tearing or wood joints. Now check furniture around your bed. Nightstands, sofas, even picture frames can become hiding spots. Bed bugs can squeeze into the tiniest spaces. Inspect baseboards, wall cracks, and even behind electrical outlets. Traveled recently? Check your luggage, bags, and clothing. Bed bugs often hitchhike their way into homes. You're looking for live bugs, tiny white eggs, black specks, or rust-colored stains. If you see any, take action fast.
Hi, I found this bug in my kitchen and I've trapped it. Can you send someone over?
Stay alert, inspect regularly, and keep your space clean. Early detection can save you time and money. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, and share with others to help them stay bug-free too.